Here's a little quiz. What do Bulgaria, the Republic of Iceland, WorldCom, Enron, Venezuela, AIG, Eastern Airlines, and Greece all have in common? The answer: the credit rating agency Standard & Poor's has at some time issued a negative outlook on the debt of each of these entities. Yesterday, Standard & Poor's issued a negative outlook on the sovereign debt of the United States. Thus, the U.S. joins an ignominious pantheon of bankrupt companies and failed socialist states. The timing is interesting. It follows a speech by Obama last Wednesday that was startling to many because of the disconnect between the president's words and the country's deteriorating financial health. Rather than actually confront the problem, Obama reverted to type and again blamed the Bush tax cuts on the rich. Apparently, no one has told him that rolling back the Bush tax cuts on those making over $250,000 a year raises only $80 billion against a deficit of over $1.6 trillion. A mere 5%. Standard & Poor's has been criticized for being slow. Their negative outlook on Enron, for example, wasn't issued until Enron was essentially dead. You have to hope that they're not similarly behind the curve with respect to the United States. That's my word. What's yours? Go to youtellmetexas.com and you tell me.